In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit financial settings in Xero. For those who may not be familiar, Xero is an online accounting software platform that helps small and medium-sized businesses manage their finances effortlessly. Today, we're focusing on how you can make adjustments to the financial settings, which is essential for tailoring the software to fit your business needs effectively. First, let's get started by moving to the main navigation panel at the top of your Xero dashboard. You'll notice a tab labeled Accounting. This is your gateway to all financial settings you can adjust. Hover your cursor over Accounting, and you should see a drop-down menu appear. From that drop-down, go ahead and select Accounting Settings. Now that you're in the Accounting Settings section, the next step is to find and click on Financial Settings. This is the area where you can customize various options to better suit your business operations. What you'll find here are a range of adjustable settings. You'll notice options that allow you to update your financial year-end. Perhaps your fiscal year needs to align differently due to business or tax reasons. Adjust it here accordingly. Another critical aspect is the sales tax settings. You may need to modify these based on your local or state tax requirements. Similarly, you can set or update tax defaults. This is particularly useful if you've expanded your business operations and need those changes to reflect in your accounting practices. The financial settings area also allows you to set lock dates. Locking dates is an important feature when you want to ensure that no further changes can be made to financial data before a specific date. It's an excellent way to maintain data integrity for finalized accounting periods. Additionally, if you've expanded internationally or moved to different regions, updating your time zone settings can ensure all your financial transactions are accurately captured according to when they occur. Once you've made the necessary adjustments to these settings, take a moment to review your changes. It's always a good idea to double-check everything for accuracy. Now, let's make it all official by clicking on the Save button. You'll find this option usually at the bottom or top of the page, and it's the final step to ensure all your adjustments are securely stored within Xero. And that's all there is to it. Editing financial settings in Xero is a straightforward yet crucial action for any business aiming to keep their accounting data current and relevant. By keeping these settings updated, you're not only making sure that your business complies with financial regulations, but also ensuring that your accounting practices align perfectly with your operational goals. Thank you for joining me today, and happy accounting!